Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to recover a Gmail without phone number and email. So let's get started. So if you want to recover your Gmail account without entering any phone number or email, now to do that what you have to do is first open up your browser. After opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for account recovery. After searching for account recovery, now you'll find this first option, which is from Google. What you can do is just simply tap on how to recover your Google account and Gmail, and after tapping on that, now you'll come up to this page. And from here, what you have to do is just simply scroll down and then tap on recover your Google account or Gmail. And after tapping on that option, now you just have to enter the email address of the account that you want to recover. And after entering it, just tap on next. And after tapping on next, now what you have to do is just simply enter that account's password. So just simply tap on continue, and after tapping continue, now you can just simply enter the account's password or passkey or authentication code. So after entering that, you will be logged into your account. So here you can see guys, welcome back. You can update your password now if you forgot it. So in this way you can also recover your account. So that's it guys, this is how to recover Gmail account without phone number and email. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.